dito at itong tutuloy natin, be. Alam nyo ba, ito ang balita. Sponsored. Sa New York City na sponsora. Diyos ko, pang malakasan naman. Kaya pala sikat itong Joey's Pizza, be. Naging famous to dahil if you're watching Spider-Man, si Peter Parker, nagtrabaho siya dyan. At sa pagtrabaho na dyan, be, natanggal sa trabaho dahil pagiging late and tardiness. It's the same thing ba? It's the same thing. Kain tayo guys ng pizza ni Spider-Man. In short, medyo mataba. Hi there, it's me Precious Candy and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the hustling and bustling world of New York. And I'm here with my friend Pratik. Yes, so dito kami ngayon guys, malapit sa may Central Park. Actually hindi ako nag-vlog kanina dahil ang hirap mag-vlog sa loob ng train ngayon dahil it's busy days here in New York. So maraming tao and sobrang jahe. So dito, meron ako nakita dito na ice skating rink na in-open recently lang. Hindi ko alam kung recently lang dahil malamig na, no? Ito yung Walmart rink. Tara, silipin natin. And special shout out para sa kanilang mga pedicabs dito. Oh, diba? Bongga. Sabi ko marami na ganyan sa amin. Hindi na bago sa akin yan. Kalesa.
Kalesa. 15,000 pesos.
300?
300? 3,000.
Up to 1,050?
No, I mean in Tramoros. How much is that?
It's not that. I don't know. 300 pesos. Maybe
300 pesos.
Maybe 150 only.
150
pesos.
Really?
Dollars.
No,
I don't know.
It was.
You tried before?
I asked somebody. It was like 1,000 pesos.
Huh? Ganun na kamahal?
I was like that.
Wow. I didn't know. Let's go here, not in the lake.
It's too cold.
No, so we can see again. So we can see the rink.
Oh, I was there. No.
Or maybe the other side. It's really big.
The other side.
So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa may ice skating rink. Natatanaw na namin. Ang saya. An ice skating rink sa gitna ng Central Park. Madilim na actually guys. Actually, itong dilim na to is 5 PM. Mas maliwanag sa video kaysa sa personal, no? Kasi maganda tong camera ko eh. So maganda yung subject. Char. Sobrang haba guys ng pila. Sobrang haba ng pila, my god. And sobrang puno na din guys ng ice skating rink. Sobrang, is this the line? I think this is the line. Oh my god. So that's why they really advise na kung pupunta kayo dito, make sure punta kayo ng morning. Morning, maganda mag-picture, plus hindi masyado mahaba ang pila. Oh my god. It's recording, vlogging. Hi! Sabi na live streaming, no, it's vlogging. We cannot go there. We'll just go find a nice place to see the rink. Open from October 28 pa to March 15. 10 AM. Ayan o. To 9 PM. How much? Daily pa 15 o, diba? 15. Oh, 15 nga. 26 pag pick. Ano yun? So the prices guys is here. If you can see, it changes depending on season. $15, $26, $37 sa prime for adults.
So it's a prime for us.
Is it?
It's not just peak. It's Prime.
The additional, okay na rin. But it's okay, so we can try here in New York. Next time. Next week. Next weekend. Next weekend. Sorry. I will not wait for you there. I'll wait here. You know, some of us were gonna sleep in Times Square. Uso din dito guys yung ito-drawing kanila, yung gagawin kanila ng portrait for $10. Sabi ng mga tao dito dati mga 5 lang yun, pero ngayon 10 na. Ayun na guys yung ice skating rink dito. Punuan po, punuan. And also, some of them will not gonna stay there for long because they will feel cold. Especially those who are not really used to the sidewalkers, the crawlers. Some are the baby walkers. Yeah, for you to learn. Maybe it's additional rent.
Yeah. For in the mall of Asia.
Yes. MOA.
Yeah.
Alam ko na-appreciate yan, pero sobrang ganda dito, be. After ng mahabang lakaran, guys, now we are here in the vessel. Iconic yan, be. Like ko nakikita sa mga profile ng mga nakakamatch ko sa Tinder. So ngayon sa pag-vlog natin tonight hindi talaga ako nag-vlog ng sobra-sobra habang naglalakad. Kasi minsan sa mga busy na area dito, parang natatakot ako mag-vlog, maglakad-lakad. Pero dito dahil less naman na yung tao, parang okay naman siya mag-vlog. Hindi naman dahil delikado. Actually, ako sa mga tao dito na parang sasabi ng delikado, bla bla bla. Sabi ko sa sobrang dami ng mga sundalo. Totoo ba? Natatakot kayo? Sobrang daming pulis dito, natatakot kayo. Tapos, yung mga asawa pa nila, mga pulis din, mga army, kina-question nyo yung security. Oh my God! Char. Parang, oo, may mga baliw dito, may mga crazy dito, mga siraulo, nantitrip bigla. Pero, safety-wise, hindi naman kayo dito, mag-discrash. Ewan ko, siguro, a very isolated case naman yung mga ganong nangyayari. Oh my God. Oh my God. I told you. Kasasabi ko pa lang sa inyo ganyan lang talaga sila magsalita. They're just like that. But it doesn't mean there's but it doesn't mean that there's some problem there. They're just stopping the people from crossing kasi may mga sasakyan.
For their own safety.
Yeah, for their own safety. It's not like, okay, there's a crazy guy who's like doing crazy stuff, blah blah blah. Hindi naman. So, be, alam nyo ba to? Tiffany's. So, syempre, like, Marilyn Monroe. Sa akin ang tangabi ni Ariana Grande. Breakfast with Tiffany's. Tara kayo na adobo. Tiffany's. Let's go.
The breakfast is not visible.
It's not visible?
No.
Ito guys, so, breakfast with Tiffany's. Oh my God, it's really long line.
I know, it's super long.
Crazy. Oh my God, grabe. I don't know how long it will take for us.
It goes quite fast.
Okay, that's great. That's awesome. Oh my God, it takes. It's really long. This must be the best pizza here because somebody told me there's a really good pizza where people line up, and maybe this is the one. Somebody. Oh my God. Grabe, nagulat ako, be. Sobrang haba ng pila dito sa pizza. So, syempre hindi mo tayo pipila dito ng napakahaba at napakatagal para sa isa lang. So, siguro bili ako ng mga 3 slice. Hindi ako malakas kumain ng pizza, pero we will try our best to really taste the best pizza here. Oh my God. Hindi ko nga alam magkano dito yung pagkain or what. Pero we'll just do it. So, mayroon babae sa harap namin na na parang influencer siya, ganyan. So, it went fast. It's fast, blah blah blah. Pero nag-give up din siya.
No.
Okay. Akala ko, oh my God. Kasama niya pala yung, baka jowa niya to, ba't jombag ako dito, guys? I thought it's really fast. So, we will see if it's really fast. Fast to consume, gano'n. Akala ko may nag-aaway na naman, guys. So, anyway, kaya pala sikat itong Joey's Pizza, be. Naging famous to dahil if you're watching Spider-Man, si Peter Parker, nagtrabaho siya dyan. At sa pagtrabaho niya dyan, be, natanggal sa trabaho dahil pagiging late and tardiness. Oo. It's the same thing ba? It's the same thing. Sorry. ESL. English second language, be. So, okay yung perfectionist. Okay? So, natanggal sa trabaho, be. So, naging sikat na to dahil dun sa palabas. And since then, pinuntahan na to ng maraming tao. At saka hindi naman to nag-isang store. Marami silang branches ata dito sa New York. Right? It's not the only one. They have other branches. So, ayan guys. Andito na tayo sa may entrada nila. Pero mga siguro 30 minutes pa to. Nakita nyo naman si Peter Parker ulit. Ang dami ng Peter Parker dito, be. So, malapit na tayo. Ito na yung kanilang entrance. And onti na lang, guys. Matitikman na natin yung kanilang masarap di umano na pizza. Pero parang susarap to nasa likod ko. Ayan, diba?
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just so by my side. This one's for the grind, I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different, I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken.
Ang laki, guys, ng kanilang pizza. Oh my God. Can you see that? Wow. It's so big. So, ito na, guys. Oh, wait. Oh my God. Ito na, guys. Sobrang laki, guys. Pero sobrang... And I think it's really yummy. Oh my God. This is one of their best selling. So, I'm just excited. So, tara, guys. Kain tayo ng ating pepperoni pizza. Let's try to eat this while it's hot. Tunay nga ba na masarap talaga to. Hindi ako mahilig ko sa thin slice na pizza, so perfect.
You look like always hungry and hot.
That's right. Medyo maalat siya ng onte. Hindi ko lang kung dahil dun sa pepperoni niya. Actually, yun lang yung naglasahan ko. Masarap yung tinapay niya. Now, let's move on. Sa iyo pa natin titikman. Hintayin natin. Dali. Ang laki, guys. Ay! Oh, excuse me. Yeah. We're just getting the food.
I thought it would be heavier for you.
No, it's not. Me? Food? Heavier? No. Oh, I'll start with this one.
Let's.
Wait, I'll show you guys. See, look how good it is. Oh my God. Spinach and garlic. Okay, get one now. Okay, let's... Okay, wow.
Oh, you're serving me?
Ah, yes, of course.
You.
Yeah.
Salamat po.
Walang ano man. So, this is my friend Pratik, guys. Let's eat. So, ito na, guys. Kain na kami ni Pratik ngayon ng pizza. Yes, cheers. That's not complete. Excuse me, can I have? Thank you.
Is that oregano?
This is oregano. You're Indian. Do you want spicy? A little bit of garlic. Spicy. Indian, of course. Harder because
Indian?
enough? More. More Indian nga.
Enough,
Yeah, I'll just add more.
Don't compete.
Yeah. I lose. Kain na tayo, guys. I usually eat pizza with ketchup, Filipino way.
How does it taste like? Ketchup?
Yeah.
Tomato?
Or banana.
Yeah, or banana.
Oh, ito pala dapat yung lasa niya. Ang alam ko lang na ito lasa, di ba, Bear, yung Angel's Pizza sa Pilipinas. Iba yung lasa dito, ah. Dito mas malalasahan mo yung dahon-dahon, yung spinach. Yung cream niya, very cream lang talaga. In short, medyo mataba. Try oregano. Next na tayo, guys. Open. This is the, wow, cheese. Wow, get one. Siyempre, with onting anghang uli, guys. Onting magic sarap. Kain tayo, guys, ng pizza ni Spider-Man. Open this one. Or shall you put already in every? Right? Put already inside. So we don't really...
Eat first.
Well, I think some people are waiting, eh. I will put na. Like, what? Tell me if I need to add more. Ito ang balitabe. Ang pinakamasarap ito yung cheese nila. Kasi yun yung gusto ko din talaga. Hi, Ate Rona! Hi! Thank you so much. Nice meeting you dito.
Oh my God! I'm so happy!
Nagulat ako kay Ate. Bigla siya oh my God. Akala ko merong nagpo-propose uli. Si Ate pala, narinig niya ako. At syempre, Be, dito na tayo, Be, sa New York City. Kaya naman gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung tutuloy ako dito. At itong tutuloy natin, Be, alam nyo ba, ito ang balita. Sponsored. Sa New York City na sponsoran. Diyos ko, pang malakasan naman. Ito na, Be, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating room dito, Be, sa New York City. O, dahil alam mo, naghihintay ko ng room tour dito sa New York. Ito yung iniestihan natin dito sa New York. Dito sa may 5th Avenue. Malapit lang ako actually sa may Philippine Consulate. So, ito yung Citadines. So, ito yung ating room dito, Be. Ito yung ating CR muna. Simulan natin sa ating CR. Ayan, ang ating banyo. Shower lang, wala tayong bathtub. And dito, Be, sa New York, Be. Ayan, parang maganda ilaw. Okay na ba? And dito ba sa New York, be, ito, napag-alaman ko, na kaya pala yung mga ano, dito sa Amerika, be, puro ganito na, oh. Hindi na sila yung nakahiwa-hiwalay para mas sustainable daw. Para at least yung mga nagagamit na mga bottles, ganyan, hindi ganun yung sa mga naitutulong sa ating Mother Nature. So anyway, ito yung ating shower. Dahil syempre comfort room yan, dapat syempre naka-comfort ka talaga. Napag jobs ka, nagsasalmi ka dyan. Oo, actually maganda itong design ng kanilang banyo, no? Parang I like it na gawin sa bahay ko. Simple lang. So anyway, ito na ba yung ating kwarto? So ito yung ating kama. Dalawa yung kamang kinuha ko. Ayan, kasi meron akong kaibigan na in-invite. Parang masaya, di ba? Ito yung ating salamin, oh, plakado, salamin, pak. Oh, di ba? Parang walang bilbel. Ay, ito pala. Parang walang Parang kunyari walang bilbel. Ito yung aking mga gamit dito. Meron silang TV. Siyempre, meron tayo dapat aircon dahil yung aircon ba hindi lang naman lamig yan, may init din yan. Pag nilamig tayo, ito yung ating view. Nasa 19th floor ako dito actually. So, supposedly maganda yung view natin. Ayan siya. Pero, for the safety ng mga tao dito, ang bintana natin, pwede na buksan ng ganito lang. Ayan lang. Siyempre, baka may tumalon dyan or what. So, ganyan lang. Kaya na siyang buksan ng, ang kaya pumasok lang, 4 fingers. 4 fingers lang yung kaya pumasok. So, kung medyo mainit, pwede naman tong aircon, pwede naman tong bintana, ganyan. Pero medyo maingay nga, marinig mo yung ingay talaga ng New York. Hinahanap kita. Oh, New York. Oh, taray, New York na. Oo, sana mahanap din talaga kita sa New York. I've been searching love in many different places. Pero, anyway, you cannot find love, you cannot search love, you have to create love. And the love, and that love should start within you. So, it's not in the place, kahit nasaan ka be, if you will not love yourself, you will not feel the importance, the contentment, the value that you have. Kasi sabi nga, marami kasi sa atin, marami sa atin yung parang, marami sa atin yung may ubo. Marami sa atin yung kompleto naman yung life nila. Super successful nila, diba? Pero parang may kulang. Parang hindi sila masaya. Ayun sasabi na, sometimes you have to romanticize life. You have to romanticize all the blessings that you have, na maganda yung natuluyan mo, may tinutuluyan ka, maganda o hindi, yung health mo okay, meron kang kinakain, nabibili mo yung gusto mo. Sometimes emotionally, baka wala kang support, like wala kang friends, wala kang community. And maybe, I think, yun yung hanapin mo. Try it. And if not, it's still, be thankful that you're okay. Be thankful na pangmayaman yung problema mo. Oh, kasi at least, be, ang hirap nung nagsusurvive. Lahat naman tayo nagsusurvive in different many ways. Like sa buhay, emotionally, financially. So, lahat tayo may problema. Hindi natin ini-invalidate kung ano man yung problema nila, maliit, malaki, lahat niyang problema. And hindi naman tayo pare-pareho ng kamay, hindi naman tayo pare-pareho ng strength, size ng kamay para i-handle ang lahat ng maayos. Diba? So, ako, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy that I'm having a good time here in New York. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And shout out be kay Ate Ann Esturas for sponsoring our bed, for the gift of this roomie here in New York City. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tia. I really appreciate it. Kasi hindi ko siya nakita sa Dubai, pero hopefully magkita kami dito sa New York City. Naku be, ito pa. Alam mo ba itong kwarto na to? Feeling nyo parang simple lang siya, di ba? Parang simple lang siya. New York kasi to. What makes it special is yung location niya sa puso mismo. Oh, puso, pusod, chest, heart, utak ng New York City. Ito pa be, nakakatuwa dahil meron pa silang special note para sa akin dito. Dear Mr. Kanja, mabuhay and welcome to City Dines Connect 5th Avenue. Thank you for being blah blah blah. We appreciate your loyalty. Should you need anything from our team, make your stay with us more comfortable, please don't hesitate to connect with us. Ayun, shoutout kay Miss Francesca Gamboa, the front office supervisor. Feeling ko parang kabayan din ata to. Maraming salamat kay, kasi ang ganda ng sulat niya, parang feeling kabayan. Oo, yung mga top 1 to sa TLE. Galing. In fairness guys, malambot yung kama. Practicean natin. Practice. Hindi, subukan lang natin. Siyempre, di ba? Minsan tumatalon-talon sa kama, ganyan. Uy guys, magpasalamat lang ako kay Ate Beth ng New Jersey for her little goodies and gifts sa akin. So meron tayo dito. Thank you so much, te ha. I just enjoy this. Itong meron tayo mga pang raincoat dahil diba ang weather dito. Meron sila dito mga bags, suction bags. Ginagamit ko talaga ito pag nagta-travel ako dahil very backpacker tayo. Alam na alam yan ni Ate Beth talaga. Meron din siya dito ba yung pang skincare ata to. Oh, ayan. Oh. Wow, ay, taray. Love it, diba? Meron tayong, oh my God, kalendula. Gusto ko to tong na to ng toner na to ng Kiehl's. Mahal yan, te. Thank you so much. Ba't ang arte ko na? Bakit ganito na ako magsalita? Ano nangyari lang dito? Bang effect ng New York, Francis? So, ito meron din siyang Hello Coconut Skin Moisturizing. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Ayan. Kiehl's din ba to? Smiths. Wow. Thank you for taking care of my skin. Meron pa tayong bath bomb. Meron pa tayong gift dito. Tara, buksan natin. Meron sa akin gift. So, ito guys yung gift na napakaganda. Ayan o, diba? So, hindi ko pa nakikita anong laman nito. Pero, sige, tingnan natin. Para sa akin ba ito? Hindi kaya nagkamali lang siya. Thank you so much, Usko. Ang ganda-ganda ng pipicturean ko muna. Thank you so much po sa gift. Basurahan pala din sa likod ko. Ito guys, yung kanyang gift sa akin. Tingnan natin. Sayang yung ribbon. Baka magamit pa natin bukas. Ay. Hello. Oh my God, iPhone ba to? Bakit ganito? Ano kayo laman nito? Mag-akin ba to? Magkain ba to? Ayan o. Para sa akin ba to? Hindi ba ito kamali? Ano to? Ang bango. Para sa akin ba to? Oh! Binilhan niya tayo ng mga... Oh my God, I like this. Gusto ko to. Masarap itong mga cookies dito. Cookies ba tawag dito? Ayan guys. Oh, wait. Bongo. Thank you so much, te. Ang sarap guys. Thank you so much. Meron pang isa guys. Wait lang. Ang sarap. Kalasan niya yung nasa sewing kit. Ang sarap. Ito. Sirain daw dapat natin para sumunod mauulit pa. Ayan. Thank you. Ayan. Naku, Diyos ko. Baka ito na yung iPhone. Pilipinas talaga yung iPhone, no? Ayan. Ito na guys, yung iPhone 17. Advance from future. Char. Ito na guys, yung regalo sa atin na. Wow. Mga chocolates. Ano kung chocolate na to? Parang mahal to ah. Mayroon pang protective case guys. Oh wow. Oh wow. Thank you so much. Grabe. Thank you so much for this gift, te. Maraming salamat talaga. Alam niyo yung mga gusto ko talaga ha. Okay. Tingnan natin dali. Ayun yung pakuha. Francis, ikaw ba yan? Hard to get? Para, tingnan natin. Ayun o. Naku, Diyos ko. Kalaban ng dentista ko to. Ang sarap, oh. Gusto ko talagang ganito. Sarap. Thank you so much, Ate Beth. Thank you so much dito. Maraming salamat po. At syempre, bago matapos itong video na to, isang pang malakasang shoutout muna sa ating mga channel members. At una, happy New Year sa inyo kay Tita Gai, Cecil Garcia, Mark Angelo Molina, Jerry Rose, George and Zenny, Serenityo, Angeli, Ivy Hovelar, M. Oliveros, Ronilyn Quijana, Joan Castro, half Filipino-Austriano, Judy Ann Matutina, Mariluz Abiton, Sandy, Joy Novello, at Jovis Vlog. Kung gusto mo rin ma-shoutout sa ating video, huwag kalimutan mag-join lang sa ating channel members. At syempre, supportan nyo lang ako sa aking mga trip sa buhay. Hanggang susunod na video, it's me Francis Candia saying, when you smile, don't say cheese, say big cheese. Until next time, see you!